Hi there. I'm Karam Khalil from National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. So I'm going to present our work on adaptive filter design for EMG artifact removal from EEG signal. So this is the flow of my presentation. First of all, I will introduce you with BCI and how to perform BCI with EEG. Then what is the focus of the BCI research these days, the literature reviews, and then I will present the objective of this study, then the methodology that we use to conduct the study, and at the end of the presentation I will present my results and conclusion. So BCI shortly stands for Brain Computer Interface. That is the system that basically allows the communication between brain and the various external machines. So first of all, we take a biosignal usually from brain, and then on the basis of that biode signal, we decode the person intention and then convert that into some machine commands. So we have three main types of BCI: invasive, that is we implant the signal by a device inside the brain, and the partially invasive, that is inside the scalp but not inside the brain, and then the third one is the non-invasive. So the main type of non-invasive BCI is the EEG, and that is electroencephalography, and then FNAS, MEG, and fMRI, etc. So brain computer interface has many applications. It is used in neurofeedback application, restoring motor function for paralyzed patients, for brain, for human computer interaction, and different other applications. So electroencephalography is one of the oldest non-invasive brain computer interface device. So it measures the electrical activity of the neurons via the scalp. So we have distinct frequency bands that correspond to different type of activities. So they are segregated into beta activity, alpha band, theta band, and delta band. EEG signals are highly prone to different type of noises and artifacts. Motion artifact is one of our major concern, that is caused due to muscle movements, respiration, eye blinking, etc. So in this study we modeled the electrical activity caused due to muscle movement, that is measured with EMG, model out that activity and filter it out from the EEG signal. So we wish to make such BCI system that is either artifact free, or it has capacity to detect these artifacts in real time and prevent that from affecting from our communication protocol. So we use adaptive filters that basically model the EMG artifacts, and during the at runtime we use that to filter out the that modeled EMG artifacts from the real-time EEG signal. So different type of filters are already used to model the artifacts and remove them. Some of them are a band pass, a low pass, and similarly other artifact elimination method that include blind source separation, different decomposition techniques, etc. So adaptive filtering basically assume that the desired signal and the measured artifacts are uncorrelated. So we use a reference muscle signal that basically generates the estimate of the signal, and we measure the filter coefficient iteratively using the difference between the estimate of artifact and that reference signal that we used. So a different type of algorithms are used for that one, but the least mean square, that's LMS, it's a linear in computational complexity convergence, is one of the most employed signal. Okay, so we used EEG motor dataset, that was collected at research center NASP. So that actually consists of both uh, random movements using muscles of the person of left and right, and simultaneously EEG and EMG are measured. Okay, so this is the basically uh, the graphical depiction of the filtering technique that we used. So first of all, we evaluate both EEG and EMG signal, then use vessel signal to model the artifacts, and then used adaptive filter to model that artifacts. So our signal, our filter was able to measure the coefficient in real time. That is basically the strength of the measure. Here are the results. That is the original signal, signal number one, then the signal with the noise, and then that is the error signal that we propagated back in the filter that is used to iteratively update its filter. So the conclusion is that adaptive filters are very resource efficient, and they are perfect choice for real-time application for artifact removal from EEG signal. That is again the most used BCI device.